Hey guys, welcome again to this channel. So in today's video we will see how we can create user snippets for any programming language VS Code. So let's open the VS Code, and here you can see this gear icon, for which you can see at side there is written manage. Just click on this gear icon and you can see these options. Among this, just click on this user snippets option. After clicking on that, here you can see list of different programming languages for which we can create our user snippets. Firstly, I will create user snippet for, let's say, C++. So I will click here, which will open this cpp.json file. So you can see here now cpp.json file is open, and here you can see all these codes are commented this JSON file. So here they have written some informations about how we can create our user snippets. So here it is written, place your snippets for CPP here. Each snippet is defined under a snippet name and has a prefix, body and description. Like snippet name into console. It has a prefix. Prefix here is log and body. It has body which is defined like this, and also a description. Here description is log out to console, which we can modify according to ours. So here also is written. The prefix is what is used to trigger the snippet, and the body will be expanded and inserted. What it means is that when you will type whatever written inside the prefix, it will trigger all the code which is inside the body. Like I will show you example. At first I will just copy this line of codes and I will paste it below here. I've done this so that I can take reference on this commented line of codes. So I will just uncomment this, and when I will save it, now let's create a CPP program. I'll just name it user snippet.cpp. User snippets.cpp. So if I will type here log, you can see whatever there was inside the body tag. Here inside body, console.log and this $1. Here it got triggered inside this CPP program. So here some more informations are given. Like here possible variables are $1, $2 for tab stops. What it means is that $1, $2, $3, or you can add more dollars, which just gives tab stop inside our user snippet. Like here $1 is here, $2 is here. When this code inside the body will be triggered in our CPP file, then our cursor will be at first at this position. Like here I can show you. When I will type log, you can see cursor is here. And if I will press the tab button, cursor will from this tab stop to here. See, it has moved from here to here because $2 is written here. And if there was anywhere $0, Here they have given information about $0 is that $0 is used for the final cursor position. And also we can add labels for placeholders. And placeholders with the same IDs are connected. And then they have given an example which was earlier commented. I have just copied it from this position to this position and pasted it here. And now what I will do is I will create user snippet for our CPP program, which will be a boilerplate code, which will just look like this. Has include IO stream, then using namespace std, then there will be a space, not a space, but a line in between there. It main and this, and there will be a return 0. Our boilerplate for C++ program will look like this. So what I will do here is, your prefix is log. So just I am leaving it as it is. I will remove this $2 from here, and inside these double quotes I will type as include a string. Okay, then below this line I will use double quotes and I will type using namespace std. Okay, then what I will do is I will use double quotes and I will type int main like this and open curly braces, and below that here I have to use commas because it is a JSON file. So here I will again put in double quotes, and inside that I will type return 0 semicolon, and below that inside inverted commas I will put closing curly bracket like this. And here I have I have to put a comma so that it will be a valid JSON file. So now I will save it and I will type here log. You can see whatever there was inside the body tag has been triggered here. Now I have to do is I have to put a new line here after std. So what I will do here is I will just put a backslash n, which will give me a new line below this line. And I will save. Again I will type log. You can see now there is a new line between these two lines. Now what I have to do is I need a new line between int main. So again what I will do is I will just create a new line, put double quotes, and inside that in our boilerplate this should be the here this would be the final cursor position from where we will start typing our codes. So here inside our user snippet in JSON file, you can see here $0 is used for the final cursor position, and we don't want any tab positions right now. So what I will do here is I will put a $0 and semicolon and a comma. I will save here, save it. Again, I will type log. You can see now my cursor is right here, so I can type here anything, whatever I. Whenever I will type log, that same user snippet will be triggered. So now what I will do is I will just remove it, and once type log, I have to edit something. I have to put indent like this, our boilerplate. So here and here I have put in my JSON file here. I I will put a backslash t or a tab, and here also I will put a backslash t for tab. I will save it, and again I will type log. Now you can see we have got exactly like this. Again I will type log and see. And our cursor is right here. And we can type whatever we want. So now in this JSON file, what I will do is I will change this prefix from log to, I will say boilerplate code. I will save, and when I will type here boilerplate code, you can see Visual Studio Code is already suggesting us this. So if I press enter, see, it has been triggered. So now we can type our code whatever we want. You can see how useful it can be for us, because we don't have to type every time. This has included IO string, this which we can use by just typing boilerplate code. Or if I will type just C, I will type boy. Visual Studio is already suggesting this. And again I will press enter. That same code will be triggered here. Now what I will do here is, you can see I'm typing this. You can see a print to console uses this log output console. If I will change this log output to console to say, I will type here, this is our C++ boilerplate code, and how good it will be. See, if I will type now void, here it is showing this is our C++ boilerplate code, and this code is already showing here. And if I will press enter, it will be invoked in our CPP file, and I can save it. And using the same process, we can create user snippet for any other programming languages also. For example, I will show you how we can create for our C programming language. So again, press on this gear icon, and again press on this user snippets option. And here you can see this C.json file, which is for C programming languages. Just click on this, you can see this C.json. Again, what I will do is just I will copy here to here, and I will paste it again right here. I'm not changing this so that I can use it as reference in the future. Now again I will just uncomment it by pressing Ctrl and forward slash, which is a feature in Visual Studio Code to comment lines of codes by selecting and pressing Ctrl forward slash comment, again pressing to uncomment, comment, uncomment. You can toggle between comment and uncomment by pressing Ctrl and forward slash. Again, what I will do is change this prefix to boilerplate code. Boilerplate code. Because we are creating a boilerplate code, which is user snippet that prints our boilerplate, so that we don't have to type the same code again and again whenever we create a new C program or C++ program. And we can use the same prefix for different programming languages because ESC.json, this code will just work on .c program. Whatever inside the body, it will be printed in .c program when we will type this boilerplate code. So again, I will change this description to this is our C boilerplate code, and here I will do something fast. So I will remove this console and do as include stdio.h. Oops. And in the new line, I will take double quotes, and inside that I will type it main open curly braces. And below that, inside double quotes, I will type return 0 semicolon. I will remove this dollar here, and here again I have quotes to make it a valid JSON. And below that, inside, inside double quotes, I will put closing curly braces. Sorry, closing braces. So let's save it and see if it works in our C program. I will make a new file.c file, user snippets.c, and if I type void, let's see, Visual Studio Code is already suggesting, and if I hit enter, it will get invoked in our C program. See here, whatever there was in this c.json file has included to return 0 and closing curly bracket. Yeah, I will close this sentence. So what I have to do here is like this. I have to get a new line here, tab here. Our final cursor position should be. I can also put a new line. Yeah, like this. So what I will do here is I will put a backslash n here, and after this line, below this line, I will put backslash t $1, not $1, $0 for final cursor position, and a comma right here. Also, I will put a backslash t here because we want return 0 also indented. So if I will press Ctrl S to save this c.json, And if I will type here boy, see, we have got exactly the same code in the same format. Yeah. So we can use the same concept, create user snippets for any programming languages by clicking this gear icon and going to user snippets. And here we can select any programming languages like Go or JavaScript, Java, Python, or any other languages. So I hope you have understood the process of making user snippets using which we can create our boilerplate code or different programming languages, or we can also create anything funny like here in c.json. If I will, what I will do here is, I guess I printed, I pasted the previously copied code here, and if I will uncomment it by pressing Ctrl and forward slash, so here it is showing an error which is showing expected comma. Okay, I have to put a comma here to make it a valid JSON. So now it is giving, it is saying duplicate object. Okay, it is the name of our snippet which is print to console. Cannot have the same name for different snippets. So what I will do here is I will just replace this print by int4. So and I will do this log by user snippet, and I will remove this description from here, and I will type here this is our new user snippet, and inside the body I will type here hey there, this is our new user snippet code, and here I will replace $2 by this user snippet is working very fine. I will save it, and you can see this. This is inside this c.json file. So if I will type inside any C program user snippet, you can see Visual Studio is already suggesting me, and here you can see it is written invoke to console, and here they have shown this is the description which we have written in our c.json file. So if I will press enter, so let's press enter and see. You can see whatever there was written here inside the body, it has been cleared here. So using the same concept, we can create different user snippets for any programming languages in Visual Studio Code. So I hope you have got the concept of creating user snippets. So I guess this is all about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you got to learn something new from this video, then please like this video, and also don't forget to share this video to your friends for whom this video might be helpful. And also you can subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.